Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everyone's doing great and I am also doing great. By the way, today I'm gonna share about my thoughts as well as I'm trying to keep practicing a little bit speaking English. So let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. Actually, I am just try to making video for myself as often as I can because I hardly if I can be making video more and more then I will have been good speaker for one day. That's why I am trying my best as often as I can. After complete my making video, then I must be focusing on my study because I have a final exam in my university. That's why I am struggles hard as much as I could. In my village, I don't know what happening in lots of people because I think there were a very bad person so that I don't talk about someone because most of the people are really bad. To be honest, a few year ago, I am also don't realize what's going on in my life. When I was realize the world is very bad. When you are was a good person, then I decided I am also become a very bad person. Then I think I am a good for my life. I believe if I don't waste too much time in my life in the someone, then I think I will be achieve for my dream as soon as possible. That's why I try to a little bit practicing new skill day by day. I hope I supposed to make video for myself after day by day. Then I will be become a good communication skill, as well as I will be become a good speaker as much as possible. Furthermore, it was really bad if you don't realize what's going on in your life, because I think those people are really bad if you are also good person. But if you try more and more, and you should be never give up for yourself, then I thought you will be achieve for your dream as soon as possible. Actually, this place wind feels really amazing, as well as when I reach this place, I feels amazing, and I don't talk about someone and what's going on and what happening in your life. They are very busy in the people, and there are most people are really bad. If you are good person, you must be try new thing, learning day by day, then you will be become a fluent speaker, as well as you will be a achieve for your dream. So additionally, I am try my communication skills info, then I can be try more and more. And in my village, I couldn't talking with someone, because most of the peoples are talking with your own language. That's very bad in this place. That's why in the next year I will be left my comfort zone. So that's all fit about me. Thank you everyone for your patience, Harry. Catch you later.